Polyatomic ions and how to remember them. For the chlorites or 8s, I put shells to symbolize an outward hand motion that shows the number of oxygen atoms growing. You can do the same by starting with hands cupped and going out with each word. Hypochlorite, chlorite, chlorate, perchlorate. Again. Hypochlorite, chlorite, chlorate, perchlorate. For the phosphites or 8s, I use the letters PO as in PO box. Throughout this video, I say the subscript in charge as a compound number when applicable, so simply split the number to write out your ion. Send my mail to 33 phosphite, send my mail to 43 phosphate. Simply add an H in 4 times 2, hydrogen phosphate. Now the 2 is going to backflip up front, so flip it, dihydrogen phosphate. Suppose you and your friend are talking about, I don't know, polyatomic ions. So you say, so 32 sulfite, so 42 sulfate. Add a 2 and then you have 3, thiosulfate. But in comes hydrogen, and he knows nothing about polyatomic ions, and that great conversation you two were having about sulfite, no more 2. Sulfate, never again. You work in an office and you have 32 co-workers, carbonate. Then hydrogen gets hired and all but 3 leave, hydrogen carbonate. So hydrogen, you can't ruin anything else, no 2 nitrates, no 3 nitrates, but then hydrogen goes off and makes ammonium, which is neither oxygen and a positive charge, and that's not like the rest, it doesn't rhyme with anything. Ugh! But anyways, let's get back in the rhythm. Chomp on acetate, chomp, chomp on acetate. O, hydroxide, O, hydroxide. Split it up into 4 syllables. Permanganate, permanganate, permanganate. Cyanide is poisonous, so it doesn't have oxygen, and neither will you. Cyanide, cyanide. 3 portions of septic cyanide, thiocyanate. There are 2 bros, bromate and borate. Bromate is cooler and brings less to the relationship, 3. And borate has BO and is tryhard, 33. I owe you 3 dates. Iodate. Because I can't sing.
C2O4 oxalate, oxalate, oxalate. C2O4 oxalate with a -2.
You have 42 mates, chromate, and 2 of them are old at 72, so they're going to die soon. Dichromate.
Silicon oxygen 32.
O22 peroxide train. Arson, 43 houses, arsenate. As a few reminders, all of them besides ammonium, cyanide, and thiocyanate have oxygen, and all but ammonium have a negative charge.